Okay, good morning, everybody. Actually, it's here in Vietnam now is just in the mornings. So I'm Nguyen Quang Vinh. I'm want to present my research related to the topic versus AHP analysis of the Internet of Things in the tourism industries. Okay, I will go into my contents. We have content 5 parts: introductions, literature review, methods, results, and conclusions. So first part is introduction. As you know, the Internet of Things is achievement of information technology area with the emergence of the Internet. So it is very popular now here. And the impact of IoT on the tourism industry is increasing day by day with many types of the tourism needs. Especially after the COVID-19, no-touch travel is a form of the minimizing the contrast. When the traveling, relaxing, and experiencing that helps ensures the safety of all the visitors during the endemic seasons like now. So no-touch travel is one kind of the the changing of the tourism industries now for the tourists. But when I look up in the literature review, I see that there is a lot of the study evaluating the ranking of key success factor of IoT application in the tourism industry, especially in Vietnam. So it is why I want to rank the key success factor of the IoT application in the tourism enterprise. So I apply the fuzzy AHP methods, analytical hierarchy process of first. This paper aim to evaluate the impact of ranking of key success factor of the IoT application in the tourism industries, and I going to do the survey with experts of tourism industry related to the IoT application questionnaire. The second part is literature review. So IoT is a sensory of the world where each object and person is provided with its identifier, and all can transmit and exchange information and data over the single network without needing to be connected to direct human to human or human to computer interaction. So now IoT components is considered as 3 components in the IoT. It means things, internet, and connectivity. So Chris et al. 2016 recognized as personalized travel and customer experience in the tourism industry as top of list regarding to the IoT innovation. Now you can go everywhere with only one of the mobile phone or some device, some of the technology techniques you can connect with the other people. And also, as I introduced before, travel with no touch is a trending of the one today related to the COVID-19. So IoT is impact very strong with the tourism industries. There have been many studies on the factor leading to success in applying technology in enterprise by many models. For example, some of the models have applied to analysis the technology application like technology, organization, and environment model. We call it is GOE. And another model is very popular in studying the technology acceptance model like we call TAM. And another model also is very popular in the literature review related to the technology like diffusions of innovation. We call it DOI. So from review of the study, previous study, I took the DOE framework, and when I recognize as the DOE framework, there's only three factors related to the technology, organizations, and environment factors. So it is needed to add the customer security factors in this kind of framework. So I going to test if the customer security factor is necessary in the DOE in related to the study like the IoT application in tourism industry or not. So it is my framework, my framework or model development with added the customer security factors. So in the literature reviews shows that technology which should be included three variable like technology, infrastructures, connectivities, smart tourism applications, and organizations should have three sub-factor or variable like IT, human resource, top management support, organization readiness, and environment factors should be included three sub-variables like government policies, supporting industries, competitive pressure. So I added the customer security issues have three another sub-variable like information privacies, authorizations, and data management from customer securities. So it is my model development of my research in this study. So next, I going to the another one. Another one is the part is methodologies. This study applies fuzzy AHP methods with the step of fuzzy AHP. The experts first of all ratings they presented by fuzzy triangular number, and to determine the reiteration fuzzy mean and fuzzy weight. This applies the suggestion of Hesser's et al. 2004 calculations calculator with R and W. This means the weight. The next step, we have to be dephysicizations. We're converting fuzzy weight to the non-fuzzy values. This dephysicization method is performed by finding the center of error, COR. This kind of value will help us to find the variable weights critical to the best non-fuzzy performance index. So here on the slide, I saw the language variable and the triangular fuzzy number like nice scale like equal from the equally important to extremely important with a fuzzy number like 111 and to 8, 9, 10 for each kind of the numerical rating from 1 to 9. So here we can see the linguistics variable, and it is one kind of input to us for calculate matches after that. To conduct the surveys, I invite 14 experts to participate in the survey. The experts including IT professional, tourism business executive, and university lecturer. However, 4 of them denied to modify the questionnaire after I call it. So I remove 4 of them from the participation. So totally this study just conducts the interview with 10 participators, like vice president, IT lecturer, head of IT department at the university, IT specialist, and IT and manager, sales manager in the tourism industries, head of marketing in the tourism industries, and project manager in the tourism industries. And all of them all have the above master degree with many years experience in the tourism industry and also in the IT industry. So they require to compare the pairwise compare for the questionnaire from range from 1 to 9 questionnaire scale. So further on, we ranking the technology indicator. So after apply the calculation, the formulation, I get the results of the fuzzy number like this table 4. So by doing the COE, I will get the BNP, best non-fuzzy performance, with a 0.044, 0.31, and 0.26. So we can rank that technology infrastructures in the technology factors rank first, and the second is connectivities, and the third one is mass tourism applications. So here is ranking of technology indicator. So on also the the consistent rate have to consider here is smaller than 0.1, so it is acceptable by Sati Sagata. The second part, the second factor is organization indicator ranking. So in the organization indicator also have three indicator like IT human resource with the BNP 0.5 and rank first, and the top management support with the 0.27, so rank second, and the organization range with the 0.26, so is last one, so rank third. So here we can see the ranking of the organization indicator with the one and the first and second and the third ranking here, and also the consistent ratio is smaller than 0.01, so acceptable. The table also shows the environment indicator ranking. So in environment indicator, we have three sub-factor like government policy, supporting industries, and competitive pressures, with the ranking as government policy is ranked first with BNPs like 0.45. Supporting industries ranked third with 0.27, and competitive pressure ranked second is with the BNP like 0.29. And the table 7 shows the customer security indicator ranking. It's also have three sub-variables added by the author in this study, include information privacy, author relations, data management, and also it's information privacy ranked first with 0.51, and author relations ranked second with 0.34, and data management ranked third with 0.2, and also the consistent ratio is smaller than 0.1, so the this kind of matches is acceptable with the consistent index. And the table 8 shows the key success factor to IoT application ranking. As we see the local index in the fuzzy number, like technology, organization, environment, and customer security. So here is main variable for the key success factor of IoT application. So the rank of this kind of four main variable in the model includes technology is ranked second, the organization ranked first. The third is customer security, and rank fourth is environment factor. So here is key success factor to IoT application in tourism industries with the finally B and P for the main variable. From the result, we got the discussions. So this study confirms the previous paper conducted by applying the TEO model in analyzing the IoT application enterprise. So this study also confirms the previous study of through 2017 and upper March 2014. However, this study fills the gap in the TEO model by adding the factor of customer security, so-called TEOC model, which added the customer security factor. And the result also indicates the importance of technology infrastructure. The importance of technology in infrastructures, IT, human resource, government policies, and information privacy in IoT application in tourism industries. So it is three highest score factor that leads the IoT application in tourism industries success. From the discussions, the result and discussion, I take the conclusion and implication for this study like that. First of all, the results show that